Time now 6:07, and this morning we're following through on the growing number of cities across Northeast Ohio taking steps to control the deer population.
Now, Cleveland Heights is considering rolling out a deer culling program in the near future. Mike Holden joins us live with a closer look at the issue and the next steps. Good morning, Mike.
Guys, good morning to you. It really boils down to car crashes, disease, property damage. Residents as well as city officials right here with Cleveland Heights say something has to be done. So much so that they are now considering deer culling, and they're even consulting with neighboring cities to see if their programs have been successful.
If you drive around Cleveland Heights, you're probably going to see them in most neighborhoods.
Cleveland Heights City Council President Tony Kuda says the city went from virtually zero deer to sites similar to this over the last couple of years.
Now they're everywhere.
He says the next step is serious discussions of controlling the population. And while some folks believe the animals are beautiful, city council members say something more has to be done. It comes as residents complain of an increase in traffic accidents, property damage, and fears over the spread of Lyme disease.
Some want them culled, some want to see them spayed or neutered.
If that's how they can control the population, if they're getting too many of them, I guess that's the only way to go about, controlling them.
Kuda says council is discussing allocating funds to have the ODNR complete a survey of the deer population and then try to determine the next steps. However, some residents, like Francis Dewey, say the deer situation is not nearly as bad as it's being presented.
It would be one thing if there were a bunch of crashes and there were people getting sick, there were animals getting sick, but I haven't personally seen that.
Kuda says whatever decision is made, he says it will be a humane one. He tells News 5 he would like to potentially follow in the footsteps of neighboring South Euclid. There, the city uses deer sterilization to stabilize their population. The deer are also tagged so they can keep track of the numbers. The city also uses licensed sharpshooters. South Euclid says through their efforts, traffic accidents and related incidents have dropped by 60%. It's something Kuda wants to replicate in Cleveland Heights.
We need to make sure that we are controlling the deer population and making sure that the animals that are here are healthy.
If the deer population really is getting out of control, then that is absolutely something to consider, that you don't want to put people at risk and you don't want to put them at risk.
In South Euclid, like many cities that have a deer culling program, give out that free venison to any residents who request it. We want to stress this morning, this is in the very early preliminary process right here in Cleveland Heights. I reached out to the city directly and a spokesperson said it's early discussions, so they didn't have a lot of details about this. But Mike and Tiffany, this is something we're going to continue to monitor. No public hearing date set just yet, but we'll follow through. And as soon as something comes down, we'll bring it to you.
All right, Mike, we know you'll keep tabs on this one. Thanks.